are basically three major types of virtual currencies, namely convertible currency, closed currency, and peer-to-peer currency. Okay, so far we have seen the details of virtual currencies, how they are operated, exchanged, and etc. Now you may feel that what is the need to discuss about virtual currencies in this cybersecurity course? They have very close associations with the scams and frauds. The next section is going to deal about all that. Virtual currencies often face many issues and challenges with respect to security in financial concerns. Some of the major issues and their effects are the following ones. First of all, the security threats. Second, collapse concerns in virtual currency systems. Third, impact on real monetary systems. Fourth, gold forming risks. Fifth, fluctuation in virtual currency value. Sixth, money laundering, a very famous fraud. Then next is unknown identity risks. And the last one is the black market for virtual currency. Knowing the process of creating and generating virtual currencies, hackers and other illegal users can easily break into the user systems. Hackers modify genuine user accounts to steal virtual currencies. They also create fake virtual currencies to fraud the legitimate users. For example, selling in-game virtual items and virtual currency, they are against World of Warcraft game policies. Hence, to earn virtual gold by exchanging virtual currencies for what they need, users sometimes log into this WoW gold selling websites. Most of these websites are prone to security issues and vulnerabilities where the users complain about exchanging virtual currencies for real money. Some economic problems arise due to the unlimited usage of virtual currency in communities and organizations. The demands and supply of the real monetary systems, they ultimately get affected due to several virtual currency system platforms. Gold farming is prominent in China and other developing countries. Here, the gamers play games like WoW for earning gold as virtual currency, which can be exchanged later with real monetary system. The flow of huge cash is not in this case controlled or regulated in gold farming. During the exchange of virtual currency with real money, these issues arise and many fraudulent and financial risks are on the way because of this. The value of virtual currency is devalued with the decrease in the popularity of the virtual community. So here comes a real challenge or threat which is a cybersecurity professional is concerned about. As I have been discussing with you, this is one of the major frauds in the cyberspace. During the exchange of virtual currency with the real money, there arises an issue of money laundering since virtual currencies can be laundered during exchanges. For example, money laundering case that happened in Korea during 2008 where criminals were arrested for selling virtual currency by converting it to $38 million. The money was generated through gold farming methods as an exchange of currency. Most of the financial online transactions become unmonitored due to the unauthorized accounts created in social media and gaming. Many unknown identities are created during illegal transactions as users create and use more than one account with real as well as unreal details. This paves way to identify the creation and transaction of virtual currency source. In addition, the tracking of money laundering or suspicious transactions becomes absolutely difficult. So, due to the unknown identities, the criminals have an easy way to pay for their illegal activities with virtual currencies. The black markets are usually created with the activity of buying and selling virtual currencies, mostly in social games. The increase in the popularity of virtual currency paves way to the growth of black markets during trading process also. This can be monitored for the occurrence of fraud cases during online games. So, we saw some of the ways are the risks that are involved in virtual currency. This module introduced the concept of virtual currency and other popular digital currencies. The operations and different types of digital currencies are also discussed. Finally, what are the security threats and what type of fraud is associated with the digital currency in this digital era has also been shared. This section mainly aimed to create awareness among the users about the facilities as well as the threats related to the facilities like virtual currencies. Thank you, learners. We'll meet in the next module.